Oh, this thing is dirty. Holy shit. You can't slide, you can't drive. Yeah. That's it.
That is dangerous operation. That's criminal. Whether it's private property or not, that's criminal.
Rum, 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 I'm an idiot. Rum, rum, rum.
And when I say blue, I mean Subaru blue. Welcome to TooFast TV, everyone. We got a beautiful Subaru rally monster, crazy monster, Italian car garage monster, right? Check him out on Instagram, Italian car garage, right?
Yes.
I don't know if you guys seen our previous episodes. We had him come by with an Alfa Romeo, right? He imported it from Italy. It was his car when he was in Italy. And he brought it down to Canada, so it's so cool. He had it tuned in Italy. I was checking out the videos when it was when he still had it there, and he said, "I'm gonna bring it to Canada." I'm like, "No way," you know. And then he showed up with it hitting full boost right here, bro. Diesel monster. So let's show them this crazy beast. Whoa! But before that, tell us a little bit about yourself, bro. I know you built this whole thing from top to bottom yourself, right?
I started building this car was afraid. After a couple months, I blew my first engine. You know, Subaru.
I remember.
Yeah.
It's a Subaru issue. I wasn't surprised, to be honest.
Yeah. I just bought another AG207 from Japan, and I started doing tingle. After 2 years, we are in this point. I just tuned 2 days ago with 460 horsepower in a stock AG207.
And he'll drift it. I've seen you drift it. Last year you were drifting it.
Yeah, doing some donuts around.
Crazy.
Yeah.
All-wheel drive donuts, all-wheel drive slides, and he's running a huge, nice, massive turbo. His setup is real nice, and he does immaculate work. I gotta give it to you, bro. You do some really nice work.
Thank you, man. Thank you.
Tell us a little bit about your engine, bro. What you got? This looks astonishing right here. That's beautiful.
6266 precision turbo.
Holy moly!
Relocate the alternator plate, custom. With my job.
Nice.
EAG fuel rail with radium fuel tank and surgery tank on the back. Electric power steering pump here on the front fender. Electric power steering front.
So
something nobody has.
He converted it to electric power steering. Nobody has. You heard him? So what made you think of that?
I think it's
you had to change. You had to change the electric pump, eh?
Yeah, with switch inside this electric and hydraulic. To work with the stockers rack. Okay, quick rack.
Yeah.
With the electric power. Electric quick rack with electric power steering, doing hydraulic. Everything is steel. Everything you can see is red.
Yeah, you did a really nice job, man. Really nice job. Woo! Take a look at that, that's nice. Even you got the dump right out the hood.
Yeah, was to get up. I just changed yesterday an oil pan. I put a competition series oil pan. And you can see everything.
Samuela, he builds crazy cars, man. I'm telling you guys.
Crazy.
So I guess you're gonna have to come show us the Fiat after they get a taste of this. But let's go to the sides and see what kind of bumper is this, man?
It's a charger speed bumper.
Oh, very nice.
Front, side skid, and the rear with the RPG carbon fiber fenders and white body.
Nice. So those are carbon fenders, eh? And he painted them.
Yeah.
You painted it or wrapped this whole thing?
No, it's painted.
It's all painted. Nice.
Yeah. I'm just waiting for wood, roof scoop, carbon fiber panel for inside the car. You see now it's rough, but it's coming, it's coming. I just bought the dash, the digital dash. Still waiting for a part, you know, COVID.
It's never ending for him, never ending. You already got the Stop Tech big brakes.
Stop Tech big brakes,
Front and
double
rear?
caliber on the back.
He's got the Hydro, baby. Hydro in the Subie. Dual caliper Brembos right there.
Yeah.
That's a sick setup.
Meth kit, radium fuel cell.
You can see the Meth kit right there.
4-wall pro fuel pump.
Radium fuel cell, fuel tank, everything.
Fire system even, because you never know, you run so much fuel on. So.
Wow, man. You see his Hydro right there? You got the cage. This thing is beast, bro. Beast. That's why you got the lips on the neck, eh? You see? Too many girls kissing him. Don't show this to his girlfriend. So you put the over fender flare. Yeah, it goes onto the door. That's sick, man. Sick.
Even this thing here.
Oh, the wing extension?
Yeah, the wing extension.
Nice, man. Nice. All tasteful mods. It looks very good, bro. You have very good taste. It's one of the baddest Subies I've seen in a long time, guys.
Yeah.
A beast. Start it up, man. Let's hear this monster. We gotta see this rumble. So you see all the switches? Power steering switch he's got.
Power steering gauge and the 4 fuel pump and the lamp pods for the hood.
Nice. Full out race car, baby. Full out race car.
It's cool, it's done. For this year.
For this year. It's done for this year.
It's done for this year.
I know you, it's not done. Last time I saw this car, it had like, I would say 50% of the modifications it has now. And now it's got double the mods, and then I can't wait to see what he's gonna do next year. Every night he says he works on it. And I know every night he works on it.
Every night.
There's a load more modifications than I seen last time. So I'm like, what, you work on it every day? He's like, no, every night, every day I'm busy, you know?
Every day you work something else for my money to spend on it.
Yeah, you gotta make the money during the day and then spend the money on the car at night. That's the lifestyle, guys. That's the passion, you know? We love cars, we do it for a passion, we do it what makes us happy. Look at the smile on the guy's face. I know every time he's driving this, I see a uniqueness, guys, uniqueness. All AN fittings. When did you get it tuned?
Neutronics.
Neutronics? Nice.
Yeah. I always tune my car last year, 2 years ago, so
yeah, you
I
always
still
tune it. Ooh, I think this seat is too small for my butt. Oh yeah, very good. We're just gonna go around the plaza because we don't have it plated, but I really want to hear this beast. I really want to hear it. Oh yeah, baby. We don't have enough space to rip it, but I just wanted to hear that boost one time, and it sounds crazy. Holy yo, that's some crazy stuff, eh?
There's no space, man.
There's no space because this is a big
Turbo is
turbo.
huge,
Yeah, this is a huge turbo. But I already know, just by the weight, the amount of time this thing will take to spool, I already know this thing is a monster, bro. Alright, something is going down, guys. Oh.
The street is too small.
It's too small for you, bro. I already know that. You can't even hear the wastegate.
No.
This is all good. Holy shit, bro! That's crazy, man. When that thing hits boost, instant tunnel vision, guys.
Just first gear, man.
Yeah,
no
we
nothing, jump.
You just built that boost by the end of the RPMs. Second gear, we would have been like, you know? And that's all-wheel drive, bro. All-wheel drive power. Nice, man. Nice, Samuela. Well, shout out to you, brother. Thank you for coming to TooFast TV.
No problem, man.
We gotta get...
It's a pleasure.
You're the man, bro. We gotta get the Alfa Romeo in the next shot, bro. And then
Next time.
we're gonna see what you do, some more stuff to this next year, eh?
Sure, man.
You're a beast, bro. Shout out to you, Samuela. Can't wait to see the rest of what you got in stores next year, 2021, baby. TooFast TV.
TooFast TV. Woo!
TooFast TV.
Hey,
Yeah.
he already knows what it is.
I know what it is.
Dang-ish. So high off this rubber.
Your laughter gets every time.
You can't slide. You can't drive. It is what it is.